everybody, I am Alex here. Welcome back to another video on the channel. I'm joined by Finning, an awesome creator, and James, and here is Charles's helicopter, and this was made by James because he's the best speller. Also Rowan is because he's made really good builds. And this is Finn's son.
Finn has a kid?
You really? Finn's son?
Alex, get in the helicopter.
Wait.
I think we have enough for everyone.
Where's that DJ guy?
There's like 5 people and there's like 4 chairs. Oh, we have enough because I'm the driver.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't.
Get in. Oh wait, we're trapped.
I'm sitting in. Only friends of Monkyeryz is allowed to sit in these golden chairs. Thank you.
I might crash the boat.
Only friends of the great and powerful monkey can sit in the gold chairs.
Raising it up. Alright, we're deleting this. Why is there a tree? Delete the tree.
Tree? Where's a tree? Brr, I don't have that. That's not me. Is that a siren head? How the
Stop!
heck? Okay, I can't wait to
He's
launch.
going like this. Oh my god!
Is he trolling you? Son. Whoa. How did you have a kid?
Alright. We can't get he can't get up anymore.
Wait, I need to check something.
Everyone sit down.
I'm trying to.
You're about to take off.
It's been in one of your friends. Like,
I don't know.
is he?
Wait on Rowan to get in.
I'm just gonna pause back when the ship starts taking off. We
Wait.
are.
Oh wait.
Ah! What the?
Ah!
Oh gosh. Why is it upside down? Oh.
Why isn't the other?
Oh gosh. Guys, this is a zero budget. It's Charles's helicopter.
This is dear God, fit in. Flying to the end, boys. Wait, we left the sun behind. Wait, there he is. Wait, is he dead? He died. Nah, let's just head to the end.
Yeah, let's do this. And then put it back in.
So we're gonna crash?
Oh gosh, I do not want that to happen.
Oh yeah, because if you're playing Henry Stickman, you know you gotta crash. Wait. Oh wait, we're too far ahead.
Oh dang, it's glitchy.
We got. Oh, we're so close.
What do you mean?
Ah!
Huh? Wait, my computer's not
Wait,
plugged in? What do you mean? No.
we're headed to the end. Wrong one to a different team. Okay. Trust guys. Whoa. Hey! Wait, how did we just go, how did we just casually just
Bro. Dude, you're lagging the server.
what?
Ah!